Hello everyone, my name is Denis Gauthier, and I'm a senior consultant with Innovaco. As Microsoft's partner, Innovaco is constantly working on product development and building solutions to make life easier for our customers. In this video, I would like to introduce the BI Connector by Innovaco. So what is the BI Connector? The Innovaco BI Connector is a simple and effective solution for any external applications or processes to seamlessly use Qlik datasets as data sources for other applications or business intelligence tools. What does the BI Connector do? This connector simplifies either the connection or the migration process to integrate Qlik datasets into flat files, database tables, or into Power BI in parallel to your current processes and without any downtime. Key features of the Power BI Connector are: convert QVDs into Excel, CSV, or custom delimited flat files, auto-create a database schema that matches the QVD schema and load data from the QVDs, load data with full load replace, full load append, or incremental load, schedule all tasks to run automatically on a schedule or event trigger, and with respect to Power BI, auto-create Power BI datasets, convert Qlik QVDs to JSON and upload to the Power BI dataset, auto-create relationships between tables in Power BI, download Power BI workspaces or reports, and refresh Power BI datasets. Which destinations are supported with the BI Connector? Current destination formats include delimited CSV, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Sql Server, Power BI, Google BigQuery, Salesforce, Azure SQL Database, Apache Spark, Amazon Redshift, Oracle, and many more already in development. Now I want to show you the BI Connector in action. First thing I want to do is select the source of my QVDs, then a destination type. In delimited files, make sure you have your destination path, and then load data. My QVDs will be converted into a CSV format and saved to my source directory. As you can see, our QVD has converted successfully into a CSV format. In the next example, we're going to load into a Microsoft SQL Server. I'm going to paste in my connection string, connect to my instance, and load my data. In a short few moments, my data will be loaded to my SQL Server database. As you can see, my QVD has loaded into my SQL Server database with all columns and rows intact. Request a demo today. Email info@innovaco.com.